Hey guys, Jamie and Barry here with
Hi, my name's Rhiannon.
Rhiannon. So, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do a Marine Corps hairstyle called the sock bun. For those of you who don't know, I spent 9 years in the Marine Corps and I learned a little something from my female Marines on how to do one. So, let's get started. All right, so let's tilt it up like here. All right, so check it out. First, of course, you want to brush the hair. Make sure their hair is totally brushed out. Guys, this is very important, okay? Seriously. All right, then squirt bottle. She might flinch, but you want to squirt her head. You want to squirt her head. Okay, so this is to help reduce flyaways. It's better if you can do it after a shower, but squirt bottle works great too.
Hey!
If you have it on mist, it's better, not jet. All right, you're doing great.
That's just horrible.
You're doing great. I know, baby.
I can see why the cats hate it so much.
All right, so the brushing is very important, okay? So what I do is I just brush straight back and I figure out where I want the bun. Now for her, she's doing ballet, so I kind of want it on the back of her head. I don't want it too high, I don't want it too low. For the lady soldiers out there and Marines, you kind of want it lower because of your Kevlar, right? Okay, or your cover. But for this, we're gonna do it right in the back of the head. So as you're brushing, you know, sometimes it gets a little dry. And now the spray bottle doesn't want to work. All right, well, whatever. We'll deal with it. All right, so it's very important for style to make sure that there's no flyaways. And those are the little hairs that come out, okay? Men, do your best. So now once you got it all up, make sure that you get, can you tilt it down a little bit? Turn your head. Make sure you get the bottom under here, okay? Okay, because the little hairs that come off the back of the neck, ladies don't like that.
We don't. Right, Mom?
Right. All right. So, now once you have it all, there you go. Good job. Okay, so once you have it all ready, you just grab it, grab their hair. The thinner the hair, the harder it can be. Okay, and so for right now, this is what I got right now, just a regular hair tie. I like to use the little rubber bands because her hair is kind of thin, but you know, you do what you do. Okay, use what you got, all right, guys? So, very simple. Just get it in a ponytail, okay? That's not that hard, right? Guys, you can do this, right? You got it? All right. So once you got it in a ponytail, if you have problems like this, you know, you can kind of pull on some of the hairs. It's kind of hard to find the right hair, you know, but
I've had that happen before.
It's just whatever. You got to do what you got to do. And sometimes you're just out of luck. It is what it is, unless you want to start over, which unfortunately I don't have time to do right now. So, very important. You have two options right now. All right, so check it out. If you take a child's sock, or your sock if it's for you, okay? Cut the tip off, cut the toes off, okay? And then you want to roll it. I like to start from the band. You can start from whichever side benefits you, but if you roll it from the band, then the terry cloth part of the sock ends up being on the outside, and that tends to hold the hair a little bit better. Alternatively, you can buy one pre-made, but these sometimes will tear apart like this. Socks don't. Make sure you use a clean sock. Very important. Okay, so for today I'm going to use a sock because, you know, sock bun. All right, very simple. Stick the sock over the ponytail.
Yay, we're done, right?
Okay, so now you have the person look straight down.
Yay, that's fun.
Okay, so now I like to use a brush during this, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Let's see. See if we can get that centered a little bit more. Move your arms forward. There you go.
Yay.
All right, look down, look down. All right, so.
Chin to chest.
Yep, chin to chest. There you go. So what you want to do is just basically spread out the hair over the sock. And really what you're going for is just to make sure you can't see the sock, okay? This is going a little fast because she's got her arms up, so it's a little awkward. Then what you want to do is put either a hair tie or a rubber band or whatever you got over that. And you can already see it's, there we go. If I push down a little bit, you see how nice it looks? Yeah, it's fabulous. So,
except for the hair sticking out.
Okay. All right, so, like I said, usually I like to use those tiny clear rubber bands, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I just launched it. Just like that, okay? Now look. See, it's all nice. Now this is very important. See, I wondered about this too. Okay, so now you might be wondering, well, okay, that's nice and all, Jay, but, you know, what do I do with this lion's mane around? Okay, so check it out. Carefully, you can, there, put your head right there. So carefully pick up the hairs, okay, and then what you want to do is just take them and you want to kind of twist them together, grabbing a little bit more at a time, okay? You want to be careful so you don't grab the hair out of the bun, okay? And you just keep twisting.
Just keep twisting, just keep twisting, 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 thing.
Okay, and so you twist it all the way around, and like I said, this is a little rushed, so there's a couple of flyaways, but it's cool for dance practice, okay? And the reason you want to twist it is to reduce flyaways, okay? You bring it around, and you remember where the end is, okay? Now, you take bobby pin, you find where the end is, and you shove that sucker in. Right underneath the sock. Now, if you use one of these, sometimes the pins can go into it, and that's what tears it. So, you use as many bobby pins as you need to. You decide. Depends on how thick your hair is. This is a really great quick hairstyle if you just need to look professional or you're getting ready for dance and you don't feel like making a bun because buns are kind of a pain.
They are.
And you know, everybody has socks, or everybody should. So, like I said, I need more pins because I'm a guy and I don't know how to properly pin hair. You know, ladies, help me out, all right? So, there you go. So, there is the finished sock bun. Nice. In the back of the head, okay, properly. Now, from this area, you can see there's a lot of hairs sticking out right there. But her hair is thin, it kind of happens. Now here's very, very important, very important. So, hold it, there you go.
Ta-da!
Good job. So, I like to use hairspray, okay? Now, a lot of my Marines would do this wet. Do this and then spray their hair down. So it would like be rock solid, which is great, but it gets really itchy. And they would like smack the bun, okay, to make it stop itching.
It is really itchy.
That's up to you how hardcore you want to be, okay? So, anyway, close your eyes.
Speaking of itchy,
Nope. Close your eyes.
my
Nope.
nose really itches.
Deal with it. So, hairspray and smooth. hairspray and smooth. Now, really what you're doing right here is just making sure that there's no flyaways, all right? And there's gonna be a couple. If your hair's thicker, good for you. Maybe not as many, you know, and you wanna make sure you hit the bun, make sure there's no flyaways, get under the neck. Professionalism. And those flyaways will stick back or get stuck, okay? It's all on you, what you wanna do. You do what makes you happy, okay? No big deal. All right, and now we have a nice, professionally done bun ready for dance.
Shut up, please. I'm very busy and important.
She's very busy and important. All right, take it easy, guys. Comment down below if you want to see another hairstyle. She has an idea for doing space buns. Bye.
Peace.